Why most GCSE English students fail and how to get grade 9. Today we are going to fix that. But before that, let me show you what grade 9 answer always includes. A clear argument, embedded quotes, analysis of the writer's methods. I have actually explained this step by step in my ebook where I show you exactly how to structure your answers and boost your grades. It also includes ready-made templates and top scoring examples. You can download it from the link in the description. Now let's start the video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are preparing for your GCSE English Literature exam, this video might completely change how you approach your essays because I am going to show you the real reasons why students lose marks and exactly how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, retelling the story. Let's start with mistake number 1, and this is the most common. Students retell the story. For example, if the question is about a character, students start writing. First this happened, then this happened, then this happened. This is storytelling. This is not analysis. Examiners already know the story. They don't want a summary. They want your thinking. Now let's fix this. What you should do instead is make a clear point about the character or theme. For example, Shakespeare presents Macbeth as increasingly consumed by ambition. Now that is a strong argument. Mistake number 2, no clear argument. Second mistake is no clear argument. Many students write paragraphs but they are not main ideas. It feels like random thoughts but put together. Now let's fix this. Every paragraph should answer one question. What am I trying to prove? For example, Lady Macbeth challenges traditional gender roles. Now everything in your paragraph should support this side. Mistake number 3, weak analysis. This is where most students lose top grades. They include quotes but do not explain them properly. This is weak example. Macbeth says vaulting ambition, which shows ambition. This is too basic. Now let's look at the example of a strong example. The metaphor vaulting ambition suggests Macbeth's desire is dangerous and uncontrollable, foreshadowing his downfall. This is analysis. This gets high marks. If your language is too basic, then your marks stay low. Mistake number 4, simple vocabulary. If you include words like shows, very, a lot, won't help you reach top grades. Let's fix it. You need to upgrade your vocabulary and instead of shows, use illustrates, reveals, emphasizes. Small change makes big difference. Mistake number 5, no structure. Another big issue is that students do not follow a clear structure. They write whatever comes to mind. Let's fix this. Use a simple structure in every paragraph, that is point, evidence, analysis, and link. If you follow this, your writing instantly improves. If you are finding this helpful, I have actually created a full GCSE English ebook where I break down essay structures, high-level vocabulary, model paragraphs, and step-by-step guidance. And I have also included a practice workbook with example style questions so you can actually apply what you learn. Both links are in the description below. If you are serious about improving your grades, I highly recommend checking them out. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and share with someone who is preparing for their GCSEs, and I will see you in the next video where I'll show you exactly how to write a grade A introduction step by step. Until then, take care.